Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to get Oculus Airlink working. Alright, so first of all, you're gonna need obviously the VV28 Oculus app version. That should be pretty obvious by now. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna go into the folders. And then you also should already have a 7-zip downloaded and this .azar archive. You need to download .azar program. This is not gonna be a very extensive uh guide. I'm just teaching you how to get after you have already downloaded and everything. So you just gotta download uh azar archive, and then what you wanna do, and 7-zip, and then what you wanna do is you wanna go to program files, Oculus support, Oculus client, resources, and then you want to go to app, and then you want to move this out into the desktop or somewhere else where it can't use administrators. Let me just close my Oculus client real quick. Then you click try again, and then what you want to do is you want to click open, and as you see right here, I have it open. So you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you'll see main.js. So what you want to do is you want to edit, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for 24 hours, and this will show up. Airlink will automatically turn off if it isn't used for 24 hours. And so you just want to scroll until you see this. So usually right now it will be 1, but that's going to stop you from using Airlink. So right now, if I went into the Oculus app right now, it would say I do not have Airlink. So you just want to turn this to a 0. Then you want to click save. Then you want to click OK. Then you want to take this back into the folder. And then you can open up the Oculus app and you'll see you have Airlink enabled. So I'm just going to turn that off. And then what you should be able to do is you can... So first, before we're going to do anything, we're going to turn this on. Then we're going to go to resource monitor. And then we're going to look for listening points for OVR server 64exe. And so right now I'm going to write down 58, 30, 58, where'd it go? 58, 361. Now this won't work for everyone. And so what I'm going to do is so what you want to do is I'm going to put a command in the description where you have to use this command. You also need the ADB. You also need ADB for this process. And then, so what you want to do is, I'm going to paste this in the description, but you put your IPv4 address here. And so, port minus 58361. And then, I'm going to grab my IP address by going into, and then searching IP config. I'm going to do that off screen so I don't leak my address. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type 192. This is going to be different for everyone, by the way. And then this should be the entire command you have to do. And so what you want to do, so this is already enabled. And so what you want to do right now is you want to plug in your headset. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to plug in my headset. Now I have plugged in my headset. So right now I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm going to go to program files, and I'm going to gaming, program files, Oculus, support, diagnostics, mirror. And now you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. And so this is, let me reopen Oculus Mirror. Close that, Oculus, port, diagnostics, Oculus Mirror. I can't see it. Okay, so what I'm going to do in the headset is, since I have it plugged in and since I have enabled Airlink, I'm going to execute the command adb shell. I'm going to execute this command, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it very fast. So right now you're going to see a hardware notification saying that you could not find my headset. What is happening right now is I'm enabling Airlink right now. So right now I'm waiting for it to load on my headset right here. Gonna close out of this. Now it looks like it did not work that time. So I'm going to do that again, because it seems like it did not work. Alright, and then I'm going to allow. Alright, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to execute this command, unplug it. And now what I'm seeing on my screen is a loading screen right now. So in a second, you see it works now. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys right now. As you can see, I am now in a link, but it right now looks like I'm in link. But if I go right here, it says Oculus Airlink, and then I can change the bit rate right here, and so I can turn it to fixed, keep changes. It can turn it to, the higher you turn it up to, I think it gets more micro steadier. So I'll just turn it up to whatever I want, and this is what it looks like. And we can launch up Steam VR and whatever apps you have right here, and yeah, there we go. To show you more proof that it's not just like a link cable, right here you can see Airlink is enabled, and it shows the check mark, and it doesn't show link, but you could still see my screen. So yeah, that's how you do it.